running short, you took a loan. Does that happen? You guys borrow from each other small sums of money, yeah, all the time, isn't it? Right? In my hostel days, I remember we used to keep a very chartered accountants. We used to keep this detailed list, right? तूने एक समोसा खाया उसका इतना पैसा उसने दिया ये, and at the end of 2 years we had a big account. Balwant was with me. I think you still owe me money. Okay. What happens if your friend says, "Hey boss, give me back the money," right? And you don't have the money. So what do you tell him? What do you tell him? Pocket money not enough to pay for it. So what do you tell the bank? Yeah? So they can't do. What can they do? In fact, with a friend at least you have to deal with him. With a bank you tell him get lost, I'll deal with another bank.
They have PAN cards.
Sorry?
PAN card numbers. I've heard.
So what will they do? They have your PAN card number, big deal. What will they do?
They will list the loaning amount into the PAN card number.
Sorry?
They will list the loaning amount on the PAN card account.
On the PAN card is your income tax number. The government does not recover money on behalf of banks. Sorry?
Our credit rating will be lost.
Your credit rating would be lost. Okay? Yes. So, ignoring these kind of defaults, and please remember, all of you going to go out and be taking loans at some point of time in the future. If you default, the bank is stopped sending goons after you. They don't need to send goons now. Okay? Most people would need to be in a position to continue to borrow. Okay? And now banks have banded together. Okay? And they have this big organization called Big Brother. Okay? CIBIL. Okay? It's called a credit bureau. CIBIL is the name of one of the credit bureaus. It's the biggest credit bureau. Okay? So, how many of you have studied Hindu mythology? Okay? When you die, what happens? You go up there, right? Somebody is sitting there with your hisab. What's he called? Anybody knows? Chitragut, right? The credit bureau is the Chitragut. Okay? He sits there and keeps hisab. अच्छा, योगेंद्र यादव ने इससे इतना पैसा लिया, उसको दिया नहीं टाइम पे. Okay, इससे लिया, इसको दिया टाइम पे, right? And why is that so important? Because that register is available to the entire system. So you default with one guy, the entire system knows it, and you can kiss goodbye to the chances of. So on your education loan, the 3-4 of you, right? If you default, you can kiss goodbye to the chances of getting a home loan in the future. Right? So, maintaining your credit record is extremely important. Because the credit bureau is not necessarily always an enemy, it's a great friend as well. You have a good record, it allows you to borrow faster, it allows you to borrow at a cheaper rate. So, it is very important. Your reputation is being captured. Please remember this. Treat your overdues, treat your outstandings with the respect that they